Today we are going to cook with HelloFresh. As you can see, we're both in our work clothes because we just came home from work, but this was waiting for me on the steps. So I have been looking at this all over YouTube about these HelloFresh meals. So without further ado, let's just get started. Okay, honey, you can do the honors. Now with HelloFresh, they have a meal plan that you choose. You choose 3 different meal plans. We went out of town, and so we were at an event, and these are the one of the meal plans that we chose. So in the box, you get a Lindor candy. Can you say hi to the camera? You didn't say hi.
Oh, hello, everybody. Hello.
He's tired because he's ready to eat, but he's going to help me do this. So, oh, you get 2. You get 2 of these, okay? And then you're going to get a lot of, so this is the Welcome to the HelloFresh fam, okay? And a lot of stuff. And fresh deals in town. I don't know what all this is. Oh, these are coupons. Coupons for different clothing stores and things. Okay. And then you get a nice cardboard menu plan. All right. Enough for all that. Let's dig in. So it comes in an insulated box. And we chose the prosciutto wrapped chicken, premium prosciutto wrapped chicken, and creamiest mushroom ravioli.
That sounds nice.
And then there's the chickpea powdered Mediterranean couscous. Oh, so these are 3 meals. Okay. Boneless chicken breasts, mushroom ravioli, and the prosciutto pork salt. Okay, and then it has like an insulated, this is like an ice pack, so it can keep the food nice and cool. I don't know, I might recycle that. All right, so now you can put that box away. Oh, they said to look under the ice pack. Did we make sure we don't have anything under there?
Don't forget about ingredients maybe hiding under the ice. Yeah, we got everything.
Okay, so which one you want to cook tonight?
Wow, all of these look delicious.
Prosciutto wrapped chicken.
Or
do you want the chicks? Okay, so we are like a house divided with, we're doing semi-vegan, like Leon's going to do some vegan meals with me, but he's not going to go full vegan. TJ is not having it, our other daughter. And our daughter from college, Leo, she's not here on a day-to-day basis. So basically it's just us that's choosing the different meal plans. But I chose 2 vegetarian meals, and then I chose 1 meat. Leon chose this one. Okay, so you want to do yours first?
Well, this does look good. Which one is that?
That's the creamiest mushroom ravioli with zucchini and these are 2 vegan ones.
These are vegan?
Yeah, both of these are vegan. If you want to do the meat one.
Yeah, I guess we can start out with the chicken.
Okay. Alrighty.
Some protein in tonight.
So we're gonna do the meat. All right, now the first thing it says, okay, so it also comes with all of the ingredients. It has, okay, so that's the wrapped chicken. So we're gonna put these in the refrigerator. And this one too. Both of these, the ones that we're not gonna use, we're gonna put those in the refrigerator.
You know, I must say about HelloFresh, I mean, they really got it going on.
When
it concerns their food plans, because you get so much within these different type of packages, and this is our first time ever ordering from HelloFresh. Seen the commercials,
look at
but this is outstanding.
Here's the roasted garlic herb. There's the mushrooms. You get some mushrooms.
Oh, that's nice.
And then here's the truffle oil. Here are the leeks.
Look
And then you
at
get a
that.
lemon.
You talking about fresh?
There's a Parmesan cheese and a bag of rice. And then you're also going to get
Some Hello Fresh
What are
chicken.
what are these? The
I think
sauces?
maybe seasoning.
Maybe that's the seasoning.
They're going it.
All right, let me follow the directions. Okay, first we're going to wash and dry all the produce. Okay, so honey, you're going to we're going to start out with a nice.
Yeah, let me wash my hands.
Yeah, I've already washed my hands. So wash and dry all the produce. Adjust the oven to 400 degrees. Make sure the rack is on the middle position. Bring 4 cups water and stock concentrates to a boil in a medium pot. All right, let me get my pot out. Now, yeah, that'll work. Now, I am not good with following directions when it comes to cooking to a T. Like, I'll follow it to a T, but I have so many bombshells. So let's see
Yes,
how
you
this
are.
goes.
You're excellent.
He is going to be nice, but let's see how this goes.
You're excellent.
All right, now, I'm going to use my duck's top. Honey, you're going to wash these off.
I can do the oven.
Take that stuff out of the oven.
Yeah, I get it.
You got to do a lot of editing. Take that oil out.
I get it.
All right. Okay, now, bring 4 cups of water and start concentrates to a boil in a medium pot. Once boiling, reduce heat to low.
All right, let me fix your mic. This is a live broadcasting, so
Okay.
live things happen.
All right. Now, so there's 4 cups of water. And these must be the little concentrates, the chicken stock concentrates. So we're going to cut these open. And get
What is it? Mic. You keep pulling that
Hey, I
mic
need
down.
the scissors.
Let me be your sous chef, okay?
I need the
I'm
scissors.
trying to get her to let me be her sous chef.
I need the scissors out the drawer. Hurry up with the scissors. Let's move the candy.
All right,
Okay,
what else you need?
give me some scissors.
Okay, hold on.
I am Mike, so that is why I cannot move all over the place. so bear with us. Just bear with us.
Move. You gotta
Okay.
have
Okay, so
to attach it to.
we have to boil this. I had to turn the duck's top. Y'all, you know what? Let me move this mic so I can.
All right, so what do we need now?
You need to get the scissors. Let me turn this duck's top on so we can do this right. Okay, there we go. All right, I need these. Now you just want to dry those and then you want to cut them up over here.
Make sure they're nice and squeaky clean.
All right, now these are just for cooking. So I'm going to use these shears just to squeeze in.
So I'm cutting these up now?
Yes, you want to slice those up. You want to cut them like this. Here, it has pictures. Oh, I love pictures. Ooh, this chicken stock is real pungent. It smells good too. So we're going to squeeze that in there. All right, now has a little arrow on here so you know where to cut. You know what? I didn't even need those scissors. All I had to do was use the arrows. Like, read before you do. So I'm going to squeeze that in there. All right, now. All right, we're going to boil this. Let me get a spoon. I'm going to give it a little stir. Okay, so you have to cut these up, slice them. Then you need to slice the scallions, separating the greens and the white. Trim mushrooms and then cut into 1/4 inch thick slices. Then we're going to heat a drizzle of.
I keep putting this mic.
Okay, we're going to heat a drizzle of olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the scallion whites, cooking, tossing until softened, 1 to 2 minutes. Then add rice and cook stirring until translucent, 1 to 2 minutes. This is truffle oil, which I have never had truffle oil. Ooh, that smells good. Extra virgin olive oil with white truffle flavor. Ooh, y'all, I gotta taste this. I mean, I know this is like, you're not supposed to be doing all of this, but I just want to taste it. I just want to see how it tastes. Hopefully it won't mess up with the meal if I just taste a little bit, right? It tastes like a strong olive oil with garlic in it, as if you like garlic. And I do. I'm gonna just like slice this rice open like this. And that's not safe. You're supposed to use the scissors, but hey, we are grown, so children, don't try this at home. Do not use a knife to open up things. You use scissors.
My wife is being unsafe. Everybody.
No, I'm not being unsafe. I'm just trying to get the job done because it's 7:17 and we want to go ahead and eat tonight. I'm going to slice the shallots. I mean, what are these? Green onions? Green onions. I'm going to slice the green onions.
Or shallots.
No, these are not shallots. We have to tell them the correct name of the food that we're cooking. So these are green onions. What's all? Yeah, where are we? Where are we? Heat a drizzle of olive oil. The truffle oil is all over the counter. Ugh.
Did we have to use all of that?
Yeah, we need to use that for the recipe.
All of it?
Oh my gosh.
How did that spill?
I don't know.
Well, we got enough in there.
Probably not. It probably gave me just. Well, we're gonna have to improvise.
Yeah, we're gonna improvise that with some
We just gonna have
avocado
heat
oil,
a drizzle of olive oil in a large pan over meat. Heat blah 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 blah.
We gonna eat tonight. Truffle oil or not, we eat tonight.
No matter how jacked up
we
it
eat
is.
tonight.
Okay.
Put some lard in that pot.
I need the frying pan. Get the pan, please.
Man, please.
Oh my gosh.
Don't worry about that. We got more than enough. Cause see what we can do. We can blend that with avocado oil
You didn't
or
see the oil hit the counter. Okay, let's move on.
extra virgin olive oil.
Let's just move on.
Refocus.
Okay, this is done. This is boiling. I don't want that to steam out. All right, now heat a drizzle of olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add scallion whites. Cook tossing until soft in 1 to 2 minutes. Add rice and stir. All right, we're going to use all of that olive oil due to the fact that we have half of it on the counter. Dump your mushrooms in here. Add rice and cook, stir it until translucent. Dump the rest of that. Put all of that in there.
And what about the oil?
Just dump all of that in. Get some hand towels so we can clean that up. Hey, don't put all my bloopers in there because that looks a hotmess.com. I think we were supposed to use all of that olive oil in here. They send you just enough. Add some more olive oil. Because we were supposed to use that whole thing.
No, it looks good.
It looks good, but it's not done correctly. Right. Okay, so we totally screwed this up. These mushrooms are supposed to go last. These mushrooms are supposed to go last. We have totally screwed this meal up. We screwed up a HelloFresh meal.